All right, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Citizens of YouTube, Pastor Dowell here. Hey, July the 11th, 2026, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. A big meeting here in Nashville, Tennessee. I would like for you to come and join me for the Coming Out of Her Spiritual Awakening Conference held by the Straitway Truth Ministry. We also, don't worry about it, we're going to feed you both naturally and spiritually. But the main emphasis of this particular meeting is not only talking about how we should be living today, but we're going to be talking about miracles. We're going to be doing signs and wonders in the name of the Messiah. Not only that, teach you how to dispense the Spirit, laying on of hands. Everybody needs to get familiar with this because in these end times, we're going to need this. Now, space is limited. We got it capped off right now at 300. We're sitting at close to 200 right now. So if you want your place in this particular meeting, make sure you listen to the promo code. Check out the link down below. Go there and register. So come ready, come expecting to see what the Most High Yah is going to be doing in this day, time, and hour. I look forward to seeing you, and you there. That is my prayer. Shalom, shalom, King coming.